bumpy here and there.
Perfect, wasn't it? That's what it came last time.
That's our camping spot for today. Everyone is here and we're at the gorge for come on! Where are we going? Come on, man!
Yep. You're free.
Huh. Man, pull it! Oh, there is my little house! Come on! After this, the bigger tent is also set up. Oh, it looks fabulous. Already few more strings to attach. That's it. There she's fitting few. There is Ari. So here we have done all the setting. That's my tent. We're gonna sleep in there today. It's gorgeous. Now have a glance at the tent. I have popped out fairy lights and it's beautiful, glowing. It will be glowy for the night time. Fun.
Baby, where are you today? Yeah, you can just put it. Look at this one. This.
Good morning. Look at those guys. They're already up sitting beside the fire. I'm gonna go. This is my breakfast. After one night of stay, we are ready to go because there is too much cold. Today the temperature would be 3 degrees, so we won't be staying tonight. Bye. It was really.